everyone, welcome back to my channel at house number 24. So I am Usha. Today have come up with another video. So in this video you will be seeing how to create this beautiful back Dori in your home. I think less than 10 rupees. Yes, less than 10 rupees you can create this beautiful Dori. So let's see the procedure. So this is a silk thread that I have taken. 40 strands of silk thread is needed. So you have to do 3 sets of sets like this and keep it aside. When you're cutting them, glue and cut them so that it is going to look like this. And after gluing them, you have to iron them so that it is like straight and nice to handle, easy to handle. So once all done, you have to place all these 3 strands in a place where it won't slip when you're pleating them. So one who have daughters will be able to easily pleat them this Dori. So ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡೋರಿನ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನು 3 ಹಿಟ್ಟು ದೆನ್ ಜಡೆ ಹಾಕೋ ಥರ ಲೈಕ್ pleat the same way till the end of the Dori. You can have a measure of your neck as well, so that you can pleat till the end and glue the ends. So that's when your Dori is ready, and the next procedure is how to finish the end points and how to attach the gem rings. So you can either attach the gem rings or you can attach the Dori thread itself for this one. So the if you do that, disadvantage is you can't use more pendants options. So that's the reason I have attached jump rings, and then I have so that I can use more pendants on it. So you can either choose to attach the gem rings or put the directly attach the gem rings. So ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಜಮ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡೋರಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್, ನಮಗೆ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಗ್ಲೂ ದೆಮ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್, ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಗ್ಲೂ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಕ್ 5 minutes so that it completely dries up, so that it is ready for our next work. So you have to take this golden zari or silver zari or in the black thread itself. You have to just round it up in the edge so that it looks nice, and then you can take 2 gem rings, or you can, as I said, you can attach the Dori thread itself directly. So here I'm using a normal needle and I'm inserting the gem ring and stitching it to the thread. So once it's done, it's all ready for the next step, that where you can attach the Dori thread directly to it. So that's it, your black Dori neck piece is ready. So now I will share few ideas which worked out for me a beautiful time, so that you can also use that for your times where you don't know what to wear. So this is one of the Nakshi earrings. When you have this one and the back part of the stick is little shorter one, you can insert that into this black Dori and you can use this hangings as your pendant. So this is how it looks. You can use that all your earrings which has the black stick lesser shorter, then you can use that way. And also if you have any gold jewelry, that one which you would have bought for your kids, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೋರಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಬಾಂಬೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇವನ್ ಮೋರ್ ನೈಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ 1 ಬಟನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ it will help you to sit stiffer, and it looks nice. It looks like a pendant itself. It's a Chandbali earrings. You can use that also for your black Dori. So you can see here how nice it looks. So I'll wear and show you the demo as well. This is how it looks. Yeah, so this Dori can be used as our creativity maximum way we can use it. So, and also if you have any studs, that also can be used. Even this will give you a traditional look when you want something like that. So you have to just insert, make sure that the back, that whatever that ear inside stick should be shorter one. I don't know what they call for that. That should be little shorter one. You use always try to use this button, which will help your whatever that we are inserting, it is going to stick like stiffly sitting there. You can use that. And yeah, screw them and it's ready to wear them. So I'll show you how it looks. It looks so beautiful. Yes. If you have kasu earrings also can be used. So this is how you can use multi-purposely this particular. Hope you like this content. Do like and subscribe to my channel. I do have few more videos in my playlist. Please check out. If you like anything, please like, share and stay connected. Take care of yourself and loved ones. See you in another video. Bye.